Today I want to show you guys this iGarden robot. Brand sent me to make video for you guys. This is really nice, very cool looking robot cleaning machine. It has brushes on the front and it continuously like brush the floor, wall and the water line, and you can see they are pretty large, and if in case something happens to it, you can easily just remove it from here. You can see it has this section here. It just comes off and you can easily replace. Actually it just finished the cleaning cycle and you can see it was able to get something. It got stuck here. It has really nice large opening over here. It has really cool. The only thing I don't like about this, the button on the bottom section over here. You can see that is the button which allow you to turn on and off. So if this is on the off position, you wouldn't be able to interact with this screen. So I really don't like that. But once you turn it on, you can see it just activate, and if it's on the on position, it won't charge. So remember, if you just plug your charger, don't panic because it's not charging. You just need to make sure that that switch is off. So you can see it has this built-in screen. When it's too shine, like the sun is like blasting, it is too sunny, it's really difficult to see, but you just need to just make some shade to see what's going on. But usually once you set up whatever the cycle you want, you don't really need to interact with it again. You can see over here we have the mode. You can see these lights, it just turns on and off. So if it's off, this is gonna be doing only floor mode. If it's on, it will do both floor and wall and the waterline. So that's an option. And over here you have the AI timer, which gives you 24, 48 and 72 hour cycling, which just runs and then stop whatever the duration you selected, and it will continue running, which gives you really nice uh, option if you don't want to take this out all the time, and if you don't get a lot of debris going inside your pool. This might be really nice scheduling option. And you also have 200% turbo mode. Once you turn that on over here, it will just activate the 200 mode. And honestly, I don't remember what this does. So over here you have the power, how much power it left, and here this has 4 liter basket. The design is, it could be a little better. They could just make this top just open so that you can easily see what's going on here. You can see the way it just open is just a little bit tricky. Once you opened it, the cleaning process is just you have to make sure you get everything. You need to put the garden hose a little bit in the back to just wash out everything. And you can see the way it just empties. This is how you empty, just a little bit. uh, you might need to work on it, and you can see it did really nice job. Actually, the way it was able to pick up, this is the beginning of the season, lots of the green things coming out from the trees, and it just settles on the bottom of the pool. And I intentionally didn't run the robot couple days to show you guys how well this thing is actually doing, and you can see it's doing pretty nice, good job. And the other really cool feature is the design. Looks really nice, very cool. It has this like a race car design. Looks really nice, very cool looking robot. And depending on the operation time, the charging, it charges about like 4 hours if I don't remember wrong. And whatever the cleaning cycle you choose, it will work based on that. And it does good cleaning during one session. As you saw, it was able to pick up all these things in one cycle. Overall, this is really nice, very cool machine. I hope you guys found this useful.